We are looking at trade, economy. We are the least responsible for the problems of climate change, yet we are vulnerable. The science is clear. The scientists have spoken. We all know that we have a problem. What is needed is responsible global action. And there is no time for blame game.
So most of them are really small, about kind of maybe like less than a millimeter long. Things as you see them on the microscope, so that's kind of like a reference.
That's very, very interesting. And we also
There was an incredible diversity and abundance of fish, especially in protected areas like Aldabra, which shows that marine protected areas do work when they are put in place.